Hello, welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to do a comparison. I'm going to compare Talend Open Studio versus Talaxie Open Studio. Actually, due to the end of Talend Open Studio in 2021, actually in 2024, a new community has been created, and they have do a fork of the Talend Open Studio source code, and they have built actually Talaxie, a new tool based on the source code of Talend Open Studio. So actually Talaxie is not really different from Talend Open Studio actually, because it's the same source code. The difference is just that with Talaxie there is now maintenance, because actually as Talend has they has moved the Talend Open Studio, so the maintenance part is not yet, it's not they are not doing the maintenance. So actually there will be no updates on new version of the software, on new components, something like that. So actually Talaxie, now with Talaxie you have the possibility to do an upgrade of version, you see, because there is a community behind behind it, who is doing the update, the upgrade, you see. So actually Talaxie is based on Talend Open Studio, and if you were using Talend Open Studio, now you can migrate your project to Talaxie very easily, because there will be no really changes in question. So actually they say, if you see here, actually there is a community behind it. You can also contribute. You can contribute if you want to contribute to develop and to maintain the Talaxie Open Studio software. Also, you can also be part of the community. You can join the community. They said that you need to know Java and Eclipse, RCP, and also some technical skills. You need to have some technical skills. You can join the community, and you can contribute also to because it's a part of open source. It's an open source project, so you can contribute to this open source development. You can also contribute to the testing part, and to ameliorate and to improve the Talaxie software. And it's really interesting because this community is based in France. Actually, I think it's based in France. Yeah, it's really interesting. So what let us go to this GitHub. I think this is where the source code reside. You see here, these are the various contributions. You see, these are the various source code. Fox Founded Studio Open Project. You see the various source code, the master. Let's see. Let us go back. And what I want to show you is I want to as I said, it's not really different from Talend. So actually the interface of the studio, the Talaxie Open Studio for data integration, is really similar, because it's the same source code. So actually they are just doing some updates of new version, some improvement of the source code, new component in case they want to develop new components, things like that. So actually the design is really the same. completely the same. What I want to show is I want to download it and install it, and so that you can see it together. I'm going to share the links to you also if you need it in the description. Let me download the Talaxie. You see here, you have many version. I want to take this. You see, this one is compatible with Java 21. You need to have Java 21 for this version. This is Talaxie Data Integration, Talaxie ESB, and Talaxie BT. So in our case, we want to use the Talaxie Data Integration. Yeah, because they have worked on all the open source code. So we are going to download this is the beta version. You see, they are saying that you can even test this new version, and in case you have some issues, you can contribute or you can notify them so that they can do an amelioration, or you can contribute to with what you see, issues or bug you see, you can also contribute to. You can be part of the open source project. Yeah, actually, to be part of the open source project, you can join the community here. You can use this email, contact them and say that you want to be part of the community. So you can also be part of the community. So let us go back to downloads. I want to download this version, because this is the beta version. Oh, wait. Well, let me download this version instead. 2025 one. We download this one. Okay. Oops. It's downloading. Actually, you need Java 21. You see, you are also going to download the Java 21, because I have on my computer, I think I have Java 11. Let me check. You see, I have Java 11. So I'm going to download the Java 21. So I'm going to give you the link in the description. You are going to install the Talaxie. So to install Talaxie, you need Java. So I told you. Let us download the Java. It is downloading. To download the Java, you need to go on Oracle site. Use this link. I'm going to share to you the link also. Download. This is 17. This is 21, JDK 21. I am on Windows. I want to download the installer of this one. Click on downloads. Yeah, it's downloading. Sometimes it may ask you to log into your Oracle account. If you don't have an Oracle account, you can create one, and you need to log into your Oracle account at the same time before downloading this JDK. It is downloading our JDK. Okay. So I'm going to install first the JDK 21. Install the JDK. Next. Perfect. Just like copy new file. Close. You have been installed. Okay. If you go to program file, you're going to see it in Java. You see you have now the 21. Okay, so now let us unzip. This is the Talaxie. I already have it here unzip here. You see, you can unzip it in one of your directory. I've named my own Talend Open Studio. Once you unzip it, you go inside, you're going to see the executable here. You launch it. You see, once you launch it, it's going to launch. It is launching the Talaxie. This is it. It is launching the Talaxie. This is for data integration. So this is it. Let me, because I am on double screen, this is it here. So these are the launch it in this. We're supposed to create or select the new existing project. Oops. You see, it is going to this our work. This is the workspace here. Actually, in this unzip folder, you are going to see the workspace of the that workspace is going to store all our project. Connection incomplete. So actually it is this is the connection. Yeah, I need to let me put my email here. Put any email, not really can put local default connection. The username must be a valid that's okay. Apps. Let me see, this is the Windows I have. Wait, let me. I'm going to create a new project. You see, I've select this one to create a new project. I click on create a new project. It is going to create a project inside this my workspace. I can name the project my project. You see, the interface is actually the same as Talend. if you see when you log, if you launch Talend, you have it's just the Talaxie changed to Talaxie. Actually, there is the same, the steps actually the same. So I select the project and click on create. So it has created my project. Now I can click open. It is opening the project. It's opening the project. So yeah, this is it here. This is it here. You see the interface. Actually, once you have Talend, you have exactly the same welcome windows. I'm going to close it. They have just changed actually the name, some the design. Actually, it's the same source code. So as I told you, it's the same. Not a really change. Uh, Close it. You see. I can cancel it. You open it. You see the interface. Naturally the same as Talend. You see. If you have used Talend Open Studio, you will see that it's actually the same as Talend. I also have my Talend here even. Let me open the Talend also and compare so that you can see. You see this is my Talend. You can open my Talend Studio also. Let me open it so that you see it. You see Talend for Talend now. You see as it's already this name. It may say you have Talaxie. Actually, they have take the same source code. That just changes the the name here and also on the design. Let me actually open this project. I've already created a new project inside this workspace of Talend. So let me just open it, launch it. It's opening. This is my Talend. You see now. So this is Talaxie. This is Talend. It is Jasmine phrase. Voila, you see the same windows I was having even. Let me close it. You see the interface really the same, not a change. See, actually it's the same source code, just that they are now maintaining. There is a new team who is maintaining now the source code. You see, and it's another team. It's another team. Actually, I think they are based in France. They are based in France. It is Daylink. They are called Daylink, and it is quite interesting. Now you can use your Talaxie Open Studio, and you are sure that you are not going to face some security issues, and also you are it is it's a good solution for a long time, yeah. And also you can play with it also, and it is maintained, yeah. So actually that's it. You can work the same as you are working on Talend, Talaxie. You work the same. You see here you can create your job. You have the different context component, the run tab, the palette, the outline, the code viewer, the context here, the code, the SQL template, metadata. You see, yeah, actually, that's it. So thank you for listening, and I hope you are going to enjoy your new journey with Talaxie. And